Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear breakfast lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing a quick breakfast or snack becomes easier when the ingredient quantities are already adjusted for the servings you need. That's where the bread with jam and butter recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Bread with jam and butter is a simple and popular combination enjoyed by people of all ages. Made with fresh bread, butter, and sweet jam, it takes only a few minutes to prepare without any complicated cooking. It's commonly enjoyed for breakfast, packed in school lunch boxes, or served as an evening or tea time snack. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, diet type, difficulty, calories, and cooking method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, carbohydrates, fat, and protein per serving. Choose optional add-ons like honey or a sugar sprinkle for additional sweetness. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from preparing the bread until serving. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, begin with fresh bread slices and lightly toast them if you prefer a toasted version. Spread butter evenly over one side of the bread, then spread jam over the butter or onto another bread slice. Add honey or a sugar sprinkle if selected. You can then close it with another bread slice or keep it open as toast. You can also pair it with milk, tea, coffee, or fruit juice, according to your preference. Cut into halves and serve immediately. With simple ingredients and familiar flavors, bread with jam and butter remains an easy and satisfying homemade favorite. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.